Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Governor expresses regret over country's education system. Environmentalist W.B. Lingdo says people should be stewards of environment. And spreading hope beyond the call of duty, West China Hills Police. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik today expressed regret over the country's education system with no change in the budget allocation. Addressing a galaxy of academia at the 6th convocation of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Malik said that till date only 6% of the budget is allocated for education. Contrary to the country's poor budget allocation of education, the governor said that the corporate houses in the country donate maximum amount in the field of education so that the country can progress further. He also told the students that it is not enough to just get a degree and also stressed on experiment as the right objective in the field of education. 1,333 students were awarded degrees during convocation.
अखबार वाले उसको दूसरी तरफ रख देते हैं। मैं पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर रहा हूं। आज तक भारत की पार्लियामेंट में एजुकेशन के बजट पे बहस नहीं हुई। बजट का एक कायदा है कि जिस दिन साइंस का बजट होगा तो 2 दिन साइंस पे बहस होगी, फिर पास होगा। एजुकेशन के बजट पे कभी बहस ही नहीं हुई। और आखिर में जब मैंने पूछा, मेरे पास सारा प्रोग्राम लिख के आया कि साहब कल कोई बहस नहीं है, कल सारे मदे पास करवा दें, उसमें एजुकेशन और क्लब करके 5, 6, 7, 8 को एक साथ पास कर देते हैं। उसको कहना है गिलोटिन करना, यानी फांसी देना। वो सारी मदों को बिना बहस के पास करा देते हैं। तो एक भारत की पार्लियामेंट ने आज तक एजुकेशन को इतना सीरियसली भी नहीं लिया कि उसके बजट पे कभी बहस हो।
All have graciously consented to you as inspired their commitment and priorities. I am sure your presence will inspire our outgoing students, teaching community, and many members. We look forward to your support and guidance to move forward in excellence. A hearty welcome to Padma Shri Patricia Muni, Editor Shillong, who is the recipient of honorary degree of doctorate today, for her immense contribution in the field of media, giving not only legitimacy to the people's voice, but also for the most sensitive, thoughtful, and ethical reporting on issues related to Meghalaya and the North. A special welcome to Professor Sanjay Dashi, former Vice Chancellor of the University of Mumbai and Professor of Life Sciences at the University, who is the recipient of Doctor of Science, for his immense contribution in the field of academic administration, promotion of science and technology, especially analyzing problems arising out of loss of biodiversity.
Meghalaya Congress today strongly criticized the National People's Party NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government over mismanagement of MEECL. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya legislator and Congress spokesperson Zenith M. Sangma said, the MDA government still survives due to the support by regional parties, including the United Democratic Party, despite mismanagement of MEECL and non-payment of salaries to MEECL employees. He also said that employees of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and SSA teachers are having enormous hardships as they are yet to get their salaries for many months.
So, it reflects the insensitivity and the inefficiency of the government. Apart from this, it's a festive time. Even the SSA teachers, for last more than 4 months, they have not receiving their salaries. The employees of different public sector undertakings are not getting salaries. So this is the kind of situation where this present leadership is running the government. It is very, very unfortunate to see this kind of mismanagement as far as the governance is concerned. Now I would like to talk about the plight of the employees of the MECL. The MECL employees, grade 1 and 2, have not been paid their salary since October 2020, and all other categories since November 2020 till date. Even the pensioners are not getting their pensions. During this festive time, we can understand the agonies and the hardships being faced by the employees of the MECL, including its pensioners. The schemes like Saubhagya and Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Jyoti Yojana, DDU-GJY, has created more liabilities to MECL due to inefficient handling and corruption. On the top of it, the government is taking loan of huge amount, thereby increasing the liabilities of the company. And when the repayment of the loan will be more than its capacity, I think it's high time that the regional parties who are supporting the NPP-led MDA government should take a call. Otherwise, what happened? As in democratic system, we the politicians, elected representatives, we have to go back to the people to seek its mandate after every 5 years. So as far as the MECL is concerned, we once again demand that at least not below the rank of additional chief secretary should be appointed as the CMD, Chairman and Managing Director of the MECL, and proper inquiry be done, and the management should be streamlined at the earliest.
An international youth organization belonging to the Presbyterian Church under the banner of Presbyterian Youth today has decided to open special school at Domyasiat in West Khasi Hills district in memory of May 8 Spiliti Lingdo Langrin. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club today, members of Presbyterian Youth today informed that this school that will be set up by young people of the Presbyterian Church in the world will be different from other schools, as this school imparts teaching and training in the fields of agriculture, poultry farming, juice production and forest conservation. This Christian group has already visited Domyasiat village and found that the people of this village has been neglected. This group strongly feels that the only way to help these villages to come out from poverty is to provide them with this special school where they can be economically empowered. To achieve this noble endeavor, this Christian group is preparing a short documentary film to expose to the world the plight and untold sufferings of the people of Domyasiat. In this venture, the group has also sought for public donation to immediately raise rupees 8 lakhs to start constructing the school.
8 lakhs just to start with, but obviously it's going to be more. Ini didang bantang macam sedang kita ki like kamera, ndrei banlek ka full English medium school te kan sanang he kai ski tangang kuas dang shwa with 8 lakhs. Thì dan tang in hak take ke roofing ke babiang banlek ka rainwater harvesting, ban bu ki solar panel. Thì kita ki beri ki la ban ai in kind ro, not only in cash. Some people can bring bricks, some people can bring cement, some people can bring solar panel, some people can bring wiring, and some people can give their time. Because time is more valuable than money. It's more precious than money. Kadai ka por kan, ni ai ka por, ni ai ka jingra ka bangila, ndai kita ki beri ka dan ki la. Baru khai la bani join la. Te ni sedang di tai pralak shwa ngin sa suki pat manus nem in hak boru ka budget na mata kino hikai ro kai bapli. Ashna ka building de kimdan kino hikai babiang pat nang no inyo tulop mentali kino hikai bapli. La ka no phobuna ka tulop kimdan. Kamtam shinong kendong. Ting in hak dan ka fund ka babiang at least ban ai ki tulop kino hikai arsnem ai. Arsnem ai nang tangin hak pek ru scholarship na mata kita kena nanta kani ka school ru kamdi ber shule tang kata ka emboss ngin habi kai ki bot ki bor kita kena kinda pas anto kilan em ban yang kijak lalu kilan em ban rap ban riang ban rijingri te ki vocational training ru ki hab done namar ba ngima ban expect ki begini wa kam shabar ni wa kam sarkar tadi kam sarkar dan show forget about it in hab training ki begini ban long ki entrepreneurs kai ingin habi kai ro ki kinja training ki vocational training ki practical training agri base horticulture base animal husbandry kumno ban rimasi kumno ban riblang kumno ban shna coffee kumno ban sha kumno ban shna juice jam kumno ban la ecotourism pungkang balai ni lai pula pesa balai university bala nang adon ka boi ban seng la ka jom ka by business lawan ai ki scholarship ki fellowship ban pa ki vocational training kum hadon bosko hey untuk kita sawan bank session ban tray ban ai kam no para kena sama mana sih pesta ini kalau keluar kata berarti ini kemana aku ini kita exposure untuk kita kenapa belum mana ini siapa stop belum skill coba
Shillong Domyasiat Kate away lagi nombor kebetulan Southwest Hills District kata markap bat Shillong wa kaje mau thaba mong ba jungren bat kiwe bene Shillong bejngai kumba shispa lai 4 kilometer na nong ba Shillong kajing baunam kene Shillong Domyasiat kade ba kene Shillong kalong ba respa mat ko kendau uranium
An internationally acclaimed environmentalist, Bremli W.B. Lingdo, who hails from Meghalaya today, made an ardent appeal to the people of the state to be stewards of the environment. Speaking to the media at the Shillong Press Club, Dr. Lingdo said that he was utterly surprised to see that the people of the state, who have become highly educated, do not care of the environment. He cited an example by pointing out at the Umka River, which has become highly polluted. While pointing out to the area in which where exploratory uranium mining was carried out in West Khasi Hills, Dr. Lingdo said that the government should compensate to the damage done to the people by rehabilitating the people by giving them land.
Kibri balik na nasoro kira ki jogi kira rai gitu kibri par ki mo di kumno la di kumno bandi mo te pole gitu kinong rap jingi par ki mong e baki bikin di bandi at least some awareness te di ban ong wanum di shu to ko ane Katu ka jaka bala long pui pa wan tung yung tung show on ra show way. They ban done ki corrective measures kan. They ban show e kum tu bapli because we need to practice what we preach. Mo, I thought the Bible group on you. Not only the Bible, all holy books talk about humans should be steward of the creation of the Creator. I mean, how can we destroy? We don't think about the future generations. We don't think about the environment. We don't think about the ecosystem, about the forests, about the waters. We are destroying everything. Actually, the more education we have, the more dirty we become. Basyang hawa amkra di bala nang belasta sudah buat. Why are they dumping all the stuff into the hawa amkra? Shenong kendong pa kibri kibu koi kitip ya ka jinglong tendrai. They know their roots. They take care of Mei Mariang. Ya ka klau kendo andre. Ya ka jingduk jang kipat kimna le iba plik teng kiap tang ban im. Ini penyerap kenyaki penjerngam. Ini ban shna ki kamru kibab penjerngam ya ka Mei Mariang. Ai kami kena samla kam tam shenong kendong ban pen im ni kinong rap. Tang kata ko yang ngila ban pen im kita andre ring ngila ajat kita ban rejungi. Orang ngam tep ngasukran ya ka serius na jogi brio shote te kala ta pala pinsa. Ya shendur. Tang Hamadan ki Hamlet cheturu ki MLA lagi Hamlet chetu ki tang ki MDC ngai ba window le chetu tang ba window he knows a lot la tip adu menshwa ke turu tang ba na thaiman pa la itu ki jing kata te ngam tip ki manu na district council ki ba NOC menshwa ki tu ki la bakla tang te manta inde ban shu darab jot mo di ban te ki kam ke bagi HCI ya kari ki di ban kho ya ketu ada kala akta palat iki ki nongrap jengi ada ki long under risk ban threat relocate support Japan support Chernobyl you don't locate iki brio ada lighthouse nam bahkan embiang ketu kami mariang baka radiation pejur palat ndrei dangi shong slam situ mengiru baro kan kata lu dikitor support ngimlawan yo i gitu ki gamma rays ndrei ki rung baik na kadok support lanang flop lanang tor te darang ngim le ka health assessment situ la ngim dan ki doktor ki babiang bapli kitu ngim la ban diagnose rute ki pangum no in siap la ka job te kam along unfair kan man shu abandon ye ki kitu ki de ki parado paras nam jungi. It's worse than Jaragura actually because the water is going down all the way to Bangla from the boring boreholes katu jaklia when it rains, when the wind blows, the dust particles get blown off and it gets into the agricultural land, and then the cows, the buffalo, cattle, fish, everything gets contaminated and it gets into the food stream. So all of us will get contaminated, whoever eats food from the.
Speaking on the occasion, one of the members of Presbyterian Youth today narrated the untold suffering that the people of Damyasiat are undergoing during the last 60 years that this village came into existence. She said, this village has no electricity, bad roads, no water tap connection, coupled with extreme poverty.
Ka kor rukim paddan lembaga jingarap jong ka PHC lane ngila bandong ka ding electricity rukim paddan lembaga jingarap jong ka MECL an kashnong domyasiat ka belong ka basusi sa kaway ka long ba kijaka sumar kimdan ban lech ka jaka sumar ki kumbangitip baka suro ka sniw pala te kabampor ban poi shi jaka sumar kumbangi kendo iwe ilong kume yethuba ban le kha khunlong I haban le shudu sha mairang an ni sutho ba kan no ka jingjanga jongka mairang na do na do mesiat ladang ipet bangila I ka jingsni jongka surok nangka I ka jing em jongki brish the ki em ka jing duk kadaw ka longba kim yo ki jingarap kumbangi yo mangi para nok shok shnong kim yo ki jingarap na kumba mga maphingi ngi yo lang ba ka sarkar bat ka bakhaddo kalong ka bakham bat ka bakham shamjing na banta ki khanna bat kalaway jong kane ka shnong kalong ba ka school hi kamdan bat kumbangi tip ba 8000 yo ka sarkar kala bendu no ka lower primary government school jong ki te bat ban let ki ban omde bagi khana kim le school ki let tangba ki haban le ki school ki bajangai kum shawa ka ji ne ki don ki shno ki bahajan but ban let kita ki ni yo jing te ban let bakin let puli kita ki shno kum ka wa ka ji bat ki we ki shno ki kimi ki haban let bot lang ki haban let salang ki kimi bat kita ki khana ka bapen ki kalong ba ki haban kini ki kimi bapli ki haban no ki yang ki sanjok ki tapi so thu hi kan no ka jing tang itahi jing batai belum kon
halo kini ka fat ni dim dai ila wan sting ila ya kendo ka chong ya kran khana ki ini nak compile dekat video mah kita kalau kita buat beli dekat short documentary film dia kenapa diberi kita baik ke bagi mampu sewa kaji ini macam khidmat kenapa jarak tahu joki bagi haru kat nu kita cakap pada di Shillong ibarat ini jika bitan mat kan badan di DVC badan di logo anda ka Shillong pat ka syai dia tanah tak kadau kan kita jenjang mau ka berdeka hok ke joki beri untuk Shillong.
To help people in need, especially those affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, and keeping in mind the spirit of giving during this Christmas time, people with goodwill are always around to extend their support to those in need. On the evening of 14th December 2020, the police team of West Janta Hills, under the leadership of Srimati Crescency W. Lingdo, MPS, DSP Crime West Janta Hills, and OC in charge Nartiang Police Station, Inspector H. Karnayor, responded to a call beyond their duty, and along with the president of Sangma Jawai, Srimati R. Milimpada, extended their spirit of humanity to cater to the needy families of Longkwang village by distributing warm blankets. Minister of Transport, Snyabha Langdhar, today went for inspection at the under-construction bridge at Dwarksoid after cracks dappled on the concrete bridge. Mr. Dhar said that his motive for the inspection is to make sure that the construction is done in a proper manner so that the bridge will be ready by the month of February 2021.
Testing yang barim, kini bagi farm Melongso, kita habis mental barang. Dan nakong inlet saya kini. Anda nak apply ke libro ni, tangin sa sedang mereka nikah, balak dan macam. Imlak mensah kerja apa? January we should be able to use this bridge. That is our target. Ini kalau obstacle dengan menurut existing bridge, mana obstacle lah. Maybe lah menurut ni belum lah mereka tahu disikan ada if anything sudah kampanye itu begini private lah. Tapi kalau apa mereka so barim tu. Aspek itu pada jangka belum berhati putih muka dia ya kan ni bar melak menong exactly makan song proportion nak bel kelak mantam clear kan. Tapi udah setiap government nak nak hai jadi pimpinan bagi everything is under responsible. Imkran saya galut kami baik-baik busuk. No question of expenditure. Lupa ban deploy kena baik-baik ni niok banyak yang kum majulong. Ini persang juga bagi punya cara kalau extra pokat balak nambah. Inlak man play toy ni kena buat baik ni kena sofa. Ini dia lah sedang menelak dismantle maksim pori yang dismantle lah beda beli bridge. Ban assemble yang bridge tu maksimum kan tu ni kena bagus. Ini cuma dismantle ni kena serai. Mon. Anda kata harus beri persang yang ikut step ploy apa cakap safe part. Kita start kuahi bar ke safety sama.
6 Dia menang yang bangsi bangin hablik dulu ni Minister Bodol-Bodol jong transport nomor ba kedai kamram ju ban pej yang ngi ki bai bu trok mah yang lek ban bu ki jing thok i dai ngai i pada ba ka jing kloy jing i ban khmi ye ki kam ki jam ha kedai bu transport di mana hi yang i lek pej nak tak bridge hang tai ban lek inspect nak kenang ba kam ka jam kan kam speed up te ngai ku dai i bai la don la ki klik i la pej ya ka kam ka jam ka badai ka bentar ju i ban pej te nakliang jong Meghalaya Truckers Union ni kerpat ya ki para ibu truk di lebar berkot pa lagi ya ni smart ni ba ni da problem ni kadang he yang da ya bu ni kali semua ban ya bu haki kom di badai kenang ba ki pai ba mo ki ba ya di kalirit ni kali he kimyo ya ki sok di sign sama ya.
The Salesian Youth Movement of the St. John Paul II Shillong Province in India, under the leadership of the youth delegate of the province, Father Anthony Kharkongor, organized a basketball tournament for the youth of Shillong to fight the boredom of COVID-19. There were 38 teams comprising from various regions in Shillong, comprising of past pupils, school students, dropout youths and the SDB themselves who took part in the ongoing tournament. The tournament will conclude on the 17th of December.
Right here, the basketball tournament is going on. And this basketball tournament is organized by the SYM, Salesian Youth Movement, under the banner and the founding of Don Bosco. The objective of organizing this basketball tournament for the youth is mainly to open space for young people to come together to meet together and to interact with one another, much more than competition. Give them a space where they could exercise and build up their physical fitness. Because after having experienced the 9-month pandemic that we are experiencing now, we feel that the youth are just left with doing nothing. And so to get rid of the boredom, the SYM has taken the initiative of participating in this tournament. I wish to thank the officials, the referees, and all those responsible in organizing the basketball tournament. And I wish to thank also the community of STC and the School of Philanthropies for giving this space for young people to come together. And through this game, we hope that young people will get rid of so many tension that they are finding with. Thank you and all the best.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.
Christmas pasok tongin yarwai, Christmas pasok yapi. Christmas pasok bakmen yapi, kadai kasi jimpen em jongi, tongin risa, tongin yashat men balashem yusim kajing kermen. Balakra yunong sius pa ka Christmas ka day ka po jingmen ka day ru ka po jingmen Liang hun ya ka hala don hun pa men sim kan shem jing tngen
Jisu lawan banong ri Balong jing shai yêu khuôn bên riêu ya la jing in tungin bên thăm ma
Ngin long ken kata ka jing shai